Student NIFT situation test is here, like fantasy landscape. There can be character mask as well. There can be scene setting as well. Why did you choose this material? And what is there in the property of the material? And how you have combined it? Now, the third question can be design a 3D model for a public space like bus stop, street cafe, and open library. Student NIFT situation test is here, and we are waiting for the predicted question. There were many people who were asking me what are the predicted questions which can come in the entrance exam. So let us see them one by one. That is why I am here. See the presentation and solve these questions, students. That is why I am giving you. This will really help you to solve your paper coming this year. Let us see the questions. There can be a question which can come from the futuristic point of view, in which you will be asked to make a futuristic 3D model based on any one of the following. आपको futuristic model बनाना है based on any of these: airport terminal, railway station, space research center. These are the three things which is given. Now, based on this, you need to make a model which is flawless, which can have many elements, but you need to keep in mind what will you make. इसके लिए आपको पहले sketch करना होगा, उसका concept लिखना होगा, उसके बाद आप इसको execute करेंगे. स्केच करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है ताकि आपको मॉडल मेकिंग में आसानी हो कि आप प्लान क्या करने वाले हैं. सेकेंडली, second question can be make a 3D model inspired by any one of your favorite movies like fantasy landscape. There can be character mask as well. There can be scene setting as well. So any one of your favorite movies you need to pick up, you need to remember that, and you need to execute it. Now, while executing it, you should keep two things in mind. First thing, what was there in the scene. Secondly, आपको write up भी लिखना है कि when you will make the product or make the prototype or make the model, you have to make sure that you mention the process also. पूरा process भी explain करिए. Why did you choose this material and what is there in the property of the material and how you have combined it. Did you find it very well to be done? Or these are the points that you keep in mind. So make sure that you do it and you will see the difference you can make. Let us see more questions here. Now, the third question can be design a 3D model for a public space like bus stop, street cafe, and open library. This is a very common question which comes. So based on this, you can also design a model. We go to the fourth question here. Create a thematic 3D model based on nature. Thematic 3D model means theme should be represented in that 3D model, like underwater world, desert habitat, mountain village. These are the points. Now make a 3D model representing any festival. Like there can be a model which is asked from the festival point of view also. Diwali street decoration, Christmas market, Eid celebration space. These are the things that you need to keep in mind and design your model accordingly. Let us see the next question here. Design a 3D model of a function object with twist, like study table for the future, smart chair, portable shelter. These are the questions. Now, there can be one question as well where create a 3D model inspired by a story character. You need to find your story character, and based on this, you need to design a model. Now they can ask you to make a model of a trophy. They can ask you to make a model of a memento also. So be ready to do that. Like a superhero hideout, a villain's lair, a magical creature, a habitat. These are the things which you need to make it. Let us see one more question here. Make a 3D model showing sustainable living. You need to make a sustainable model here which can last in the future, and it is eco-friendly. Now here, eco-friendly house, vertical garden and recycling station. This is also very important बच्चों. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है इस साल रिसाइकलिंग स्टेशन का. रिसाइकलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है इस बार, तो इस पे आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. इसको ज़रूर सॉल्व करके जाइएगा. Let us see more here. Design a 3D model of an entertainment space like theme park, gaming zone, concert area. These, based on this, you need to create a model as well. Let us see more here. Create a conceptual 3D model based on abstract idea. Now, you need to represent abstract ideas as well. Like unity is there, freedom is there, innovation is there. These are the abstract idea. Now, beside this, there can be asking you to make a model of a mask this year. They can be asking you to make a model of a toy or a blind kit also. They can be asking you to make a model of a bus stop or a living space in your area or a display of the fashion designer. These are the things which are very important. With this, you can really do very well. So with this, I will say thank you, but I will only say thank you to you when you will excel in your entrance exam. I hope this presentation will really help you बच्चों. यही है predicted questions. इसको solve करके जाइए और देखिएगा आप अपने situation test में कितना अच्छा करते हैं. So all the best from my side and excel in your career. Tell us your result also बच्चों, कैसा रहा result आपका जब आपका selection हो जाएगा और हमें खुशखबरी देंगे आप. Thank you so much.